doing a three-dimensional ramp design drawing, what you're going to do is you're going to take your 30-degree set square out of your Oxford Mathematical Set, and you're going to line it up on one of the blue lines over here. You're going to just get the profile of that set square, which is very much ramp-shaped, isn't it? You're then going to take your 45-degree set square, and you're going to place it on the blue line down over here. You can place another set square underneath it if you want. So you can slide that across to that corner and draw a line out at 45 degrees there. Slide that across to this corner over here and draw another line out at 45 degrees there. Come up to the top here, line it up on that line, slide it across, and you can then draw another line out at 45 degrees there. Once you've done that, extend your pair of compasses to more or less a width that you think this ramp needs to be, and you just make a little mark there, make a little mark there, go up to the top there and make a little mark there. And once you've done that, you can then draw in the ramp. Connect up the dot over there and that dot over there. That and that. Can you see those two lines are parallel to each other? I'm going to draw in a line over here, that, and that. And this line over here, they are all parallel to each other. This line over here, I'm going to drop a line down there. I line that back corner up with that line, that point over there. I'm not going to necessarily draw the whole line because I can only see this little piece sticking out at the bottom. But you can see that line and that line are parallel to each other. And finally, I'm going to draw in a line going across like that. And then draw in another line linking that corner and that corner. I can only see that little piece over there. And there you go, you've got a three-dimensional ramp shape. After you've done that, you then need to draw in a couple of things like straws, etc. So I'm going to draw in a straw over here. There's a straw. You can make the bottom slightly rounded and you can color that straw in. All right, there's a straw on that corner. I need another straw on this corner, don't I? Right, there's another straw in that corner. I need a straw on this side over here. Color that in. There's obviously going to be one on the other side over there. You see that? And I'm going to put another straw in over here just for good measure. There we go. I wouldn't be able to see the other one on the other side. Can you see the straws? Is that easy? And then I need to draw in some ties over here. I'm going to draw in some ties. Maybe I should use a different color for the string. Let's try and find another color that's different. Blast. Where's a pink or something? Right. Can't believe it. Can't find a... Right, I'm going to use this yellow over here. And I'm going to draw in a string over there. And a string over there. You can see the cross bracing with the string. And I'm obviously going to have the same story over there. At the back, there's going to be some string happening there. Some more string over here. Seeing that idea? Is that a design for a ramp? Right, once I've done that, I want you to put in some dimensions on this thing. Draw in some dimensions. And you can write in that this thing needs to be 56. And this one over here, you can draw this in over here. And you can put 165 over there. Happy with that idea? And over here, this angle is 22.5 degrees. Once you've done that, you should put in some labels on here and tell me that this is cardboard. You can say that this is string over here. And you can say that these are straws. And you can call this design 1.
So we're doing more than one design?
Yep, design 1. There we go. Sorry, that didn't get onto this thing. There you go. So I've written in design 1. All right, at the end of the day, you can see I've got labels, I've got dimensions, and I've got one of the designs sorted out. You need to do 3 designs, okay? 3 different designs of this ramp. Please, I want to see a ramp with a 22.5 degree angle. I've shown you how to do a 22.5 degree angle as a design drawing. That is not 22.5 degrees accurately. It's just a representation of that 22.5 degree. Get on. The thing that you can change is the design of your straws and your string. That's what I'm looking for as the different designs that you're going to use with your particular models.